Okay, so my dog Bentley can play catch with his bone. So Ray, go. This isn't my other dog Beauty, but he's my brother's. So he has a ball that he likes to play with. I don't exactly know where it is. So I'm gonna go look for it. Where's your ball, Bentley? Beauty, you know where ball is? I guess they lost it, so Bentley, he sometimes plays dead on the floor. That's a joke. So, come here, Bentley. He's a cute, loving dog, too. So is his sister, Beauty, which is that dog over there. They both are loving. We got them for free. Come on. They like licking people as well, so